Hey guys, it's Josh here from Accelerate Off-Grid. We're just going to run you through installing the rear accessory switch panel for the 300 series. This recess here is where the factory light lives, so we removed that one. I've taken the panel out of the car to make it easier to demonstrate this, but as you can see, we're square here and we've got some ridges inside here. All we need to do is just gently file these out until that panel fits correctly. This piece behind here, you generally just take that edge flush to that, and that's enough on the bottom side of it. Then you just adjust the top edge to make it all sit neatly and flush. It's a little bit of a trial and error process. There's no exact science behind how much you have to take out. But if you take the bottom to that, then the recess sits flush inside there. So as we file this edge out, we just take it a little bit at a time to allow just enough so that drops in nicely. You want it to be a firm fit. You don't want this panel to be able to float around or fall out. So as you can see, it'll take a little bit to push it in, and then it's in there. So that's the install of the switch panel side of it. I won't run you through the wiring. Every switch available has different wiring configurations, but essentially that's what you need to do to fit that panel.
Accelerate Off-Grid Touring, powering your adventures.